we're getting to know that there are two-story building collapsed in Dhangar Gully in Somwarpet in Pune. The fire department's vigilance and prompt action has averted a major tragedy. No one was injured in the incident, nor were there any loss of life. Rajalakshmi, there are two buildings that have collapsed. Fortunately, nobody died, nobody was injured. The authorities were able to avert this major, complete probability of a catastrophe happening in this area. But again, the questions about, the stability of the building, how old they were there being, NOCs that were acquired on a regular basis to then ensure that these buildings were strong enough to face any kind of eventualities?
Yes, Megha, sadly, during the monsoons, especially when there is heavy rains and there's a lot of waterlogging, you hear of all these kind of incidents because there is because of the heavy rain, obviously there is a lot of leakage. Now, and especially if there are old dilapidated buildings, then it gets even more dangerous, and it causes loss of lives in a lot of cases. So that is unfortunate, and I would say that that is definitely something that can be avoided. So in a lot of cases, the government, the authorities, they give out all these notices for people to evacuate these kind of buildings when it is obvious from the outside, when it is visibly obvious that these buildings are looking hazardous. But then you never have an idea of how stable the structure is unless you have a structural audit. So
Yeah.
in most of the cases, what we would recommend is, as an architect, I would recommend that at least there should be a basic structural audit to make sure that the columns and the beams and the structural members are looking stable, and that there is no hazard to any of the occupants.
Right,
So I think
absolutely.
that
Rajalakshmi,
should
thank
be
you for
done.
joining me and sharing that input with me. On that note, I'll slip into a short break. Thanks for watching NewsX.